Saan nga ba mas magiging malaki ang dividend mo sa Pag Ibig MP2 savings? Yung annual mong kinukuha ang dividend or yung compound savings o after 5 years na maturity, saka mo kukunin lahat? Hi guys, I'm Rica G and this is RicaGChannel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new on this channel talks about lifestyle, tips, tutorials, and reviews. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang dividend rate ng MP2 savings sa Pag Ibig. So just a quick recap, ang Pag Ibig MP2 savings ay voluntary savings and pwede kang mag-invest for as low as 500 pesos. Meron ako nitong previous na video regarding sa MP2. Ilalagay ko yung card sa taas and kung paano mag-open ng MP2 account sa end screen and sa description box below, yung link. Ang pwedeng mag-open ng MP2 ay yung mga active members, employees, and OFW na may 24 months ng contribution sa Pag Ibig. Ang dividend rate ng Pag Ibig ay nag-iiba-iba taon-taon. So, yung P1 o yung regular savings na dinededuct ni employer sa atin last year or noong 2020, ang dividend rate niya ay 5.62%. While yung MP2 naman o voluntary savings ay 6.12%. So, ito yung dividend rate ng MP2 savings ng Pag Ibig for the past years. So, noong 2010, 5.50%. 2011, 4.63%. 2012, 4.67%. 2013, 4.59%. 2014, 4.68%. 2015, 5.33%. 2016, 7.34%. 2017, 8.11%. 2018, 7.41%. 2019, 7.23%. And noong 2020, 6.12%. So kahit pandemic siya, mataas pa rin yung interest rates niya. So over the years, ang pinakamataas na interest rate ay noong 2017 na 8.11%. And ang pinaka-lowest is yung 2011 na 4.63%. Taon-taon nagre-release ng dividend rate ang Pag Ibig. Like, for example, this year, March to April nila normally nire-release yun. Yung dividend rate na i-release nila is for the past year. Pinakamabilis mong makikita ang dividend rate mo through virtual Pag Ibig. And meron din akong ginawang video previously kung paano kayo makakagawa ng account nyo sa virtual Pag Ibig. Ilalagay ko rin sa description box below ang link kung paano kayo gagawa nito. Sa MP2, pwede kayong mag-contribute ng weekly, monthly, yearly, o one-time payment na tinatawag o lump sum. So, it's your option, hindi siya kailangang regular. Nasa sayo kung kailan ka maghuhulog sa savings mo sa MP2 ng Pag Ibig. So, i-compare natin yung annual mong kinukuha yung dividend mo versus dun sa compound savings. Narito, panoorin natin. MP2 Pag Ibig Savings Dividend Rate Computation. Kung ang pinili mo ay annual o taon-taon mong kukunin ang dividend rate, ito yung sample table from Pag Ibig website. Ang dividend mo ay kikredit sa savings account o checking account na accredited ng Pag Ibig Fund tulad ng Land Bank of the Philippines, Development Bank of the Philippines or DBP. Para sa mga members naman na walang bank sa Pilipinas tulad ng mga OFW at gusto ng annual payout, maaari itong makuha naman through check. So itong annual dividend payout na example is 500 pesos na savings and based sa 7.5% dividend rate. For 500 monthly savings, kung mapapansin nyo, January to December 2020, nagre-remit siya ng 500 pesos. So, ang total nun in a year is 6,000. Ang naging dividend niya sa buong taon ay 243 pesos and 75 centavos. Next year, January
to December 2021, 500 pesos pa rin monthly. And then, ang naging savings niya is 12,000. Ang naging dividend rate na niya is 693 pesos and 75 cents. January to December 2022, 500 pa rin monthly. And ang annual dividend niya is 1,143.75. January to December 2023, 1,593.75 ang naging dividend niya. And then January to December 2024 or yung ika-5th year, 2,043.75 ang dividend niya. All in all, 5,718.75 ang naging dividend niya. Pero kasi ito ay annual niyang kinukuha yung dividend. So, sa compounded naman, kapag compounded savings ang pinili nyo, upon maturity ng savings, which is after 5 years mo pa i-withdraw yung lahat ng dividend mo or total na savings, kasama na rin dito for the past 5 years. So, sa compounded savings, January to December 2020, 500 monthly yung nire-remit niya. Same dun sa annual, 243.75 yung dividend rate niya for the first year. So, continuous lang siya, 500 from the first year up to 5th year. Pero dito, mas mataas yung nagiging dividend amount niya yearly. Like itong second year, 712.03. Yung third year niya is 1,215.43. Yung fourth year niya is 1,756.59. And then, yung ika-fifth year niya is 2,338.34. Ang total na dividend rate niya is 6,266.14. So, ito yung comparison table natin dun sa 500 peso monthly savings. Ko-compare natin yung annual dividend payout versus dun sa compounded savings. Ito yung annual na yearly niya kinukuha yung dividend niya at yung compounded naman na at the end of the term or after 5 years niya kukunin. Sa annual dividend payout, nagtotal yung dividend niya ng 5,718.75 and sa compounded savings naman, ang naging total is 6,266.14. Ang difference nila is 547.39 or 9.5% yung difference. Sa annual dividend payout naman ng 1,000 peso na savings, January to December 2020, 1,000 consistent siya na nagre-remit monthly. Total niya in a year is 12,000. Ang annual na dividend payout niya is 487.50. On the second year, 1,387.50. On the third year, 2,287.53. On the fourth year, 3,187.50. On the fifth year, 4,087.50. Consistently siyang naguhulog ng 1,000 per month dun sa 5 years na term niya. At ang naging dividend niya total is 11,437.50. Sa compounded savings naman, na 1,000 pesos or yung at the end of the term niya kukunin yung total na savings. So, ganun pa rin, January to December, from first year to fifth year, continue siyang nagre-remit ng 1,000 per month. Pero sa dividend amount, on the first year is 487.50, same dun sa kanina na annual. Sa second year is 1,424.06. Sa third year is 2,430.87. Sa fourth year is 3,513.18. And then sa fifth year is 4,676.67. Ang naging total dividend niya is 12,532.28. Again, sa compounded savings, hindi niya kinuha yearly yung dividend niya. Tuloy-tuloy lang yun. Dito naman sa table na ginawa ko na comparison ng 1,000 monthly savings ng annual dividend payout o yung yearly niya kinukuha yung dividend niya versus dun sa compounded savings or yung at the end of the term na 5 years niya kukunin yung dividend kasama ng savings niya. So, dito sa yellow part, 11,437.50 ang naging total na dividend. Sa compounded savings naman, ang naging total na dividend is 12,532.28 or meron silang difference na 1,094.78 or 9.5%. Ito naman yung annual dividend payout na 1 million or one-time payment yung gagawin niya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, January to December 2020, nag-remit siya ng 1 million. Second, third, fourth, and fifth year, wala na siyang nilagay. Pagdating sa annual dividend payout niya, nakakakuha siya ng 75,000 yearly. Ang naging total na dividend niya in 5 years is 375,000. Kapag compounded savings naman na 1 million one-time payment, same pa rin, January to December ng 2020, nag-remit siya ng 1 million. Second to fifth year, wala na siyang niremit. Ang dividend amount niya is on the first year, 75,000. Second year, 80,625. Third year, 86,671.88. Fourth year, 93,172.27. Fifth year, 100,160.19. Total of 435,629.33. So, dito naman sa ginawa kong table of comparison ng 1 million lump sum or one-time payment, ang annual dividend payout na total is 375,000 pesos. Sa compounded savings naman is 435,629.33 centavos. Or, may difference na 60,629.33 or 16.6%. Again, itong sample ay based sa 7.5% dividend rate and yearly nag-iiba-iba ang rate.
So, ayun guys, nasagot na yung tanong natin. So, mas malaki talaga yung magiging dividend mo kung hindi mo siya kukunin annually. Kung patatapusin mo muna yung maturity na 5 years. Kasi kung after 5 years mo pa siya kukunin, yung dividend mo yearly, nag-earn siya ng nag-earn ng interest hanggang sa lumalaki ng lumalaki yung savings mo. So guys, ang MP2 savings nyo ay nakalock in ng 5 years. Hindi ito yung savings nyo na pang emergency fund. Dito, ito yung mga savings na pinaghahandaan. Pwede siyang gamitin na retirement fund, lalo na kung after 5 years, yung total savings mo, i-open mo ulit ng new account para lalong lumago at magkaroon ulit ng interest. Preparation for occasions like 7th birthday and debut. Pwede din siyang down payment or full payment for a new car. Pwede din siyang down payment or full payment for a new house. Or, kung gusto nyo kumuha ng mga house na pasalo, pwede din siya maging budget for that. Or, mag-purchase ng lot. Dahil yearly, tumataas nga ang value ng lot. So guys, I hope you consider opening MP2 savings for those of you na wala pang MP2 savings. Kung may mga questions kayo sa Pag-ibig or may concerns kayo, pwede kayong mag-email sa email address nila, contact us at pagibig.gov.ph. Within 1 day, nagre-reply sila to acknowledge your email. And then kung ano man yung concerns nyo, nagre-reply ulit sila or naibibigay naman nila through email after 3 to 7 days. Please comment down below kung may mga questions kayo and I'll try my best to answer all your queries. So guys, thank you for watching and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Rica G channel for more informative videos. Bye!